This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 6 of building the Infinity Saga's Infinity Gauntlet. Yes, this is part 2 of the palm of the gauntlet. After last week's not doing very much at all, we're now doing a little bit more. Not very much more, just a little bit more. The new soul gems, I didn't realise there were any old soul gems. Adam Warlock rescues Spider-Man. Okay, he's got an old by the looks of it, unless that's not him. That might be someone else. Yeah, right. There we go. He's got price of victory probably quite high. It normally is. Obviously, become the stone, maybe, or I don't know. Palm of the Gauntlet Part 2, the fingery bit. That's what we've got. We're just going to attach that to the part from last time with 3 screws. Not rocket science, nice and easy. And that will make up the palm piece. There's obviously another bit to go in there. I'm not entirely certain, but we'll get there. We'll figure it out. But after looking at Spider-Man, the friendly neighbour, your friendly neighbourhood Spider-Man. I do like Spider-Man. Don't know. There's something about him that the naivety and, you know, just the kid doing what he wants to do, juggling school life and being a superhero. Works for him. John Byrne, I don't know that name, but he's obviously a British writer and artist based in Canada. Done things. He's done She-Hulk, Alpha Flight, and the Fantastic Four. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get these 2 parts put together. So in this issue, we get another big metal piece. We've got lots of screws left over. I shall put them all, I'll decant them all together. We've got 4 in there. Obviously, we're going to be using 3 for this. And it's going together a bit like that. That's going on there. That fits from the inside. We've got the 3 pieces fitting the 3 pieces. So there isn't a gap there. It might just be reflections. Oh, there's another piece to go across the join by the looks of it, but for now, that's all we have. That is not lining up quite there at the top. Quite long posts for these. So you've got to get them in the right angle as well as being in the right place. There we go. That goes through there a bit better like that. And the screws will hold it in place even better. I shall get them in a bit now and then go back and tighten them all up when I can put a bit more pressure into it without worrying about messing up for you lot. You know why. So one in there, one at the top there is not going in yet. Let's try the one down the bottom. That one is, that one did. Let's try one more. This is the one that I thought was fully down, but might not be. There's a little bit of a disconnect there. Let's try with a little bit more pressure. Get that to bite down there. There it is. So, that is in. I've got them tightened up, but for now, that is the palm starting to come through. You can see obviously where the fingers are going to stick out. Let's have a look at the rest of it and how it might go together. Yeah, there's all these 4 posts are going to go into those up there. Not going to screw together though. They're just going to pop in because there's no screw holes on the outside of that. Not entirely certain what's going to hold it all together, but something will. Bits on the outside as well that are going to locate through. It's going to be pretty impressive. That's not going to join up. There's obviously another bit to go. Well, that's where the thumb goes, isn't it? So look at that. Look at that already. It's quite impressive. Where the thumb's going to go in it. Look at the size of it. Look at the scale of it. Look at the immensity of it and the glowingness of it. It's lovely. It really is nice. So if you want one of your very own, the link is still in the description below. Click on that, follow through, and we shall see you in the build at some point in the future. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.